Welcome to quiz. Total questions, 20. You have 10 seconds for each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. Question number 1. Option B is correct. Question number 2. Option A is correct. Question number 3. Option A is correct. Question number 4. Option B is correct. Question number 5. Option B is correct. Question number 6. Option A is correct. Question number 7. Option A is correct. Question number 8. Option C is correct. Question number 9. Option B is correct. Question number 10. Option B is correct. Question number 11. Option A is correct. Question number 12. Option B is correct. Question number 13. Option A is correct. Question number 14. Option B is correct. Question number 15. Option B is correct. Question number 16. Option C is correct. Question number 17. Option A is correct. Question number 18. Option B is correct. Question number 19. Option B is correct. Question number 20. Option B is correct.